Greetings from Dr. Eileen O'Connor. I'm to show you here the interface that you use if you're invited to a Mozilla Hub's room. First of all, the person who's created the room raises a share option and can copy the link to the room. And you can see there are a number of ways you can use the room, and one of them is by sending a link. I emailed myself the link, and what I do, or you would do if you got a link this way, is open the link. The first thing it does is load the room itself, because I sent you a link to a specific room. When you click on the link, you're brought to the room that the person had designed, and they will be giving the rooms a random name. This is happened to be called Remote Hidden Conclave, and you enter the room. Now, if I had a VR headset, I might use that too. I'm going to click Enter Room, and I don't have the headset, so I'm going to enter on the screen. I can opt whether I want to have my microphone off or on when I go in. I'm going to leave it at the default. I'm going to enter the room. In my case, I entered into a hallway, and I could use the arrows on my keyboard to move in. If this is your first time in, though, you're going to be given the option of changing an avatar. So I already have an avatar, so I opened up my little members thing, and I'm finding my avatar that way. I'm going to click on this to edit my avatar, and this is where you would have come if this was your first time, where you select an avatar and you give it a name. So I already have an avatar. I'm going to browse the avatars. This is what you would see. It proposes some avatars that are somewhat seasonal, and I can also go and create my own avatar. So I'm doing this just to show you the type of things that are available. There are lots of ways that you can customize an avatar, make it your own, but I'm going to move out of this feature right now. And I'll do that by clicking the X. Brings me back to my other options. Let me figure on one of these simple avatars. I'm going to look at what's newest, and I can choose from any number of avatars that are proposed. I'm not going to change my avatar, so I'm just Xing out of this. I'm back into the room, and I'm using the arrows on my keyboard, and I'm on a PC, and I'm moving into the room. Now I'm going to left click and drag, which is another way to get a view of what you're going to be able to do and see. The room will be extremely different based on what you've been invited to. This is a nice winter scene, and so have fun in whatever room you're invited to, and I'll be showing you some other tutorials on how you get around in this space. See you later.